down like a demo. You don't really did know you.
Child, it's been a minute since we did one of these. Let's get into this quick weave. Y'all, excuse me in advance because, honey, it was late and your girl was yapping and talking. But I'm just going to do a voiceover. So as you can see, girl, I done had a pixie cut, honey, and I wanted something different. So we're doing these bundles from Shein. Yes, I said Shein. And, of course, the information is always in the description, honey. But first, let's go ahead and color this hair because that is number one when you're doing any type of quick weave and you're going to have a leave out. You want to make sure that hair matches. Now, you can grab this hair color from any regular schmegular beauty supply store. I got it from Dollar General because I was in a hurry. And so, honey, I'm just going in and I'm just coloring really the top half of my head. I don't even care about the back. Now, be careful with this because you don't want to stain your forehead and all that good stuff. So make sure you put some Vaseline and protective stuff on your face, on your hair. All hairline, y'all know what I mean. So you don't get that color everywhere. So we are done with obviously the hair color. And baby, here we go. Let's get into it. Now I'm doing a deep side part. Side parts are just my jam. So here you go. I section off that hair. Now I'm applying some of this mousse. The mousse part is so important. You have to have a good foundation when it comes to a quick weave. Now I didn't have a wrap paper, so I just put me a do-rag on there. So now we got the cap on. I love this cap. It is so sheer. And I think it also came with these. No, I bought that cap. That cap is very sheer though. I love it. It's perfect for a quick weave. And so I have 3 bundles. I had a 22, I had a 18, and I had a 16. And so obviously I did the ones that was longer at the bottom. And then you just go shorter. Now, one thing about me, I don't start my quick weave all the way at the base of my neck because you just don't know how much hair you're going to need. So I kind of start right about my ear and then I go to the top. And if anything is left, I fill the bottom end. So that's kind of what I'm explaining here is to make sure you have enough hair because, baby, ain't nobody got time to be running to no. All right, as you can see, baby, I'm just laying the tracks. Again, I did do a deep side part. So that's why you see a lot of hair on that one side because I wanted it to be a little bit more fuller to accent that look. And then here is the finished product. Y'all, it was so late. So, yeah, I didn't really do a whole lot. And I could have blended that leave-in a little bit better. But, yeah, this is just the night I actually did it. Now, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more videos like this. Y'all, I actually love doing hair. And especially since my hair is short, like, it's nothing for me to get on here and do a look. So let me know what y'all want to see next. And, of course, this was the finished product, baby. It definitely ate down.